name is Peter. Today I show you subtraction. We have 5 minus 2. We start counting from 2 and we count up to 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. And how many fingers do we have? We have 3 fingers. So the answer is 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. We have 7 minus 5. So we start counting from 5, 6, 7, stop. We stop at 7. And we have 2 fingers. So the answer is 2. We have 17 minus 10. We start counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We stop at 17. And we have 7 fingers. The answer is 7. We have 17 minus 14. We subtract from the unit first. That means 7 minus 4 equals 3. Then 1 minus 1 equals 0. So we have 17 minus 14 equals 3. We have 47 minus 19. We subtract from the unit. 7 minus 9. 7 is smaller than 9. So we borrow 10 from the number 4. We borrow 1 from number 4. We have 3 left. And we have 17 now. Minus 9 equals 8. Now we don't have 4 anymore. We have 3 only. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. So 47 minus 19 equals 28. We have 671 minus 194. We subtract from the unit. 1 is smaller than 4, so we borrow 10 from number 7. Number 7 becomes number 6. And we have 11 minus 4 equals 7. 6 is smaller than 9. So we borrow 1 from number 6 over here. Number 6 becomes 5. So we have 16 minus 9 equals 7. 5 minus 1 equals 4. The answer is 477. We have 401 minus 194. We start subtract from the unit. 1 is smaller than 4, so we borrow 1 from 0. 0, we cannot borrow from that. So we borrow from 40, okay? We cross out number 40. Borrow 1, so we have 39 left. See? And now 1 we have 11 now. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So the answer we have 207. We have 1.72 minus 0.4. First, we had to rearrange. We rearrange with condition that the point had to line up. Okay, we had to line up the point. And we're missing one number over here. So we create number 0 for that. Because 0.40 equals the same value with 0.4. So nothing will change. So we start minus from the right hand side. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 7 minus 4 equals 3. and we bring down the point. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The answer we have 1.32. We have 4.7 minus 1.92. First, we need to rearrange. Here we are. We have to line up the point and one missing number here. So we have to create number 0 for that. And we start subtracting. 0 too small for number 2. So we borrow 1 from number 7. Cross out number 7 to become 6 now. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 6 is too smaller than 9. So we borrow 1 from number 4 here. So we have 16 minus 9 equals 7. We bring down the point here to the same position. And 3 minus 2 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. The answer is 2.78. We have 4 minus 2.41. First, we need to rearrange. Here we have 4. We don't have a point, so we create the point and line up with that point. And we're missing the 2 numbers here. We create 2 number 0 for 4. See? 4.00 is the same value of 4. So nothing will change. We start subtract from the right hand side. 0 is too smaller than 1. So we cannot borrow from 0. So we borrow from the 40. Okay? We borrow from the 40. So we have 39. Like that. So this becomes 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5. We bring down the point. 3 minus 2 equals 1. The answer is 1.59. We have 3.14 minus 1. First, we need to rearrange. Here we have 1. We don't have the point. We just create the point for that. And missing the 2 number, we create 2 number 0 for 1. We start subtracting. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 1 minus 0 equals 1. We bring down the point. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The answer is 2.14. Subtracting the 2 fractions, the condition that the bottom has to be the same numbers. We ask yourself the smaller numbers. What number times 4 becomes 12? The answer is 3. Here, 3 times 4 equals 12. So the bottom times 3, top have to times 3. You see, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So in this bracket is 1. And 1 times 3/4 equals 3/4. Or we can say like this. This is the same, right? 3/4. Open up. It's still 3/4. Close down 3/4. Open up 3/4. Nothing will change. We continue. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. We bring down the minus sign. And we keep the same 1 over 12. You see, we have the same number 12 here. So we keep it here. The top we have 9 minus 1 equals 8. The answer is 8 over 12. We have 3/4 minus 3 over 8. The bottom different numbers. ask yourself with number 4. What number 2 times 4 becomes 8? We have to times number 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So the bottom times 2, the top times 2. Okay, and we continue. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. We bring down the minus sign. We keep the same 3 over 8. We got the same number 8 here. We keep it down here. Top we have 6 minus 3 equals 3. This is the answer. We have 1 minus 3 over 8. 1 doesn't have the bottom. We create the bottom for 1. That means divide by 1. See? 1 divided by 1 is 1. Nothing will change. We have different numbers. Ask yourself with the number 1. What number you times to 1 equals 8? That's very easy, right? You times 4, 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. The bottom times 8. The top have to times 8. Okay? And then we continue. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. Keep the same subtraction. We keep the same 3 over 8. We got the same number 8 here. We keep it. Top we have 8 minus 3 equals 5. The answer is 5 over 8. We have 3/4 minus 2 over 5. A different number at the bottom. Ask yourself with a smaller number. What number times 4 equals 5? We cannot. So we just times 4, 5. Here we got 4 times 5. The bottom times 5, top have to times 5. And 5 times 4, 4. The bottom times 4, top have to times 4. Now we continue. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. We keep the minus sign here. 2 times 4 equals 8. 5 times 4 equals 20. Now we have the same number 20 here. So we keep the number 20 down here. Top we have 15 minus 8 equals 7. This is the answer. Okay, we have 3/4 minus 2/3. A different bottom. Ask yourself with the smaller numbers. What number we times 3 to become 4? We don't have it, right? So 3 times 4. Here. Bottom times 4, top have to times 4. And 4 times number 3. Bottom times 3, top have to times 3. Okay, we continue. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. We bring down the minus sign. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. And we have the same number 12 here. And we keep it down here. At the top we have 9 minus 8 equals 1. This is the answer. And that's it for now. And see you in the program addition, multiplication, and division. Goodbye everyone.